Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another powerful super episode right here on this channel. Welcome to another playlist yet again on this channel on software engineering in Python, where we are going to look at what exactly is PyYAML, a Python YAML parser and emitter. So PyYAML is a powerful YAML parser and emitter specifically designed for Python, enabling developers to easily work with YAML, a human-friendly data serialization format. This model serves as a bridge between Python's data structures and YAML's readable text format, making it ideal for configuration files and data exchange in Python applications. So what are the key features and usage of PyYAML? So we'll look at the key features, the core capabilities, and then we'll look at an example code where you can try it out for yourself in VS Code to understand how PyYAML actually works. So let's get to it. So the core capabilities or the features of YAML includes full support for YAML 1.1 specification, complete Unicode capability, bidirectional conversion between Python objects and YAML, and then support for custom class serialization and deserialization. Here is a basic implementation in the form of a code of YAML that you can try out in your VS Code or PyCharm. Here is it. This is YAML, and then here try it out. You can pass YAML to Python dictionary. Okay, so you import it and then you can pass it to your Python dictionary, after which you can dump Python data to YAML. So do well, try this out. Let's see how it went for you, and then let's see how it went for you. Put it in the comment section how you were able to handle this, and if you have issues too, let us know. Thank you for watching this video.